Okay, so the first step is to pull this down, go to Bluetooth, and turn it on. Second step is to get the PlayStation 4 controller, hold down this button and this button, the share and PlayStation button. Hold it down for about 10 seconds. Then it'll start blinking like that. And that enables Bluetooth mode. You enable Bluetooth mode on your controller. Now all you have to do is connect it. There you go. I am now playing Minecraft with my controller.
Let's kick.
Back up, boy. What's up? What's up? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Yeah, what's good, son? What's good, son? Yeah. Back up. Back up. Back up, fool. Hey. Okay. And yeah, guys, just like that, play Minecraft or even any other games that have polar options on your phone. Yeah, guys, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.